Hey guys, and welcome back to Skeesh. If you know anything about Japan, you know that they have some pretty crazy Kit Kat flavors, whereas here in the US, we're limited to pretty much 5, and that is white chocolate, milk chocolate, dark chocolate, mocha, and mint. And Japan has over 250 flavors exclusive to seasons, regions, and localities. We got our hands on 16 of those flavors. I picked these up on Amazon for like 20 bucks. 16 pack varieties, you never really know what you're gonna get. They're pretty small, but if you're trying out flavors, they're perfect for that. So we're gonna see what these are today. So we got our 16 flavors of Kit Kats laid out here. We're gonna start with the ones that we think we know, like matcha, the ones that are clearly branded or labeled, like coffee, melon, cheesecake. And then we're gonna get into the more creative ones that, unless you can clearly speak Japanese, you'll know what they are. So we'll kind of be surprised with what we get. But we're gonna start with coffee. Smells like chocolate. Yeah, it smells like a regular Kit Kat. Nothing crazy going on. Oh, water. Kind of tastes like very slightly more bitter than like a regular Kit Kat you would buy here. With a bit of orange. Kind of like it better. That gets like an 8 out of 10. Like I think of a black coffee and my biscuits. Melon. I get, it's got this nice cream orange dreamsicle vibes from this one. It smells like melon. It smells like melon, not orange, melon. Like a cantaloupe. I like that. That one's good. That was really good. That is so much better than I thought it would. That was fantastic. Right up front, the flavor was really weird. You'd think that like because of the smell it would be really overpowering melon flavor, but it's not. It's pretty tame. And it works well with biscuit. For how crazy it is, that's like a 7. That was really good. That's actually not terrible. Cheesecakey. It smells like cheesecake. Yeah, it's kind of wild. Now, before we do eat this, do you want to make a prediction? I think it's gonna taste like cheesecake. Not just cheesecake, but you know how Japan has a different kind of cheesecake than America or like Europe? Yeah, technically like which cheesecake do you think is gonna taste like? It smells cream cheesy. It smells like it would be a fluffier Japanese cheesecake. I've never had one of those, so I haven't even compared. But I've had American, so I know. It just tastes like a lot of cream cheese. Yeah. Well, the aftertaste is kind of insane. Dude, it tastes like a fucking cheesecake. Oh my God. It doesn't taste like a New York style American cheesecake, but I've had that flavor before. That's definitely something that's familiar. Oh my God, that's insane. That was good. Orange with chocolate drizzle. Smells like citrus. It smells, yeah, orange. It smells like chocolate covered orange. It tastes like a chocolate covered orange. Like the orange is really, really prevalent. Like almost too much. The citrus is definitely there. Once it hits the back of your throat. For flavor wise, on how realistic it was, that's like a 10. That's a spot on 10. Whoa, strawberry milk. That smells identical to strawberry milk. That wafts. Like a Go-Gurt. A Go-Gurt. It's exactly what this tastes like. A strawberry Go-Gurt. That is a Go-Gurt. That's a Go-Gurt in Kit Kat form. I can't eat more than one of those. No, Mont Blanc. And this one does have alcohol in it. So for all you little kiddies, alcohol consumption 0.1%. It's not going to do much, but the warning's there. It kind of smells alcohol-y. It's not terrible, but I don't really care for it. I actually don't. Not great. All right, so we're into the flavors that are not labeled in English, or you cannot assume really what they are. That's matcha. Oh yeah, that is like matcha power. Yeah. That's good. I love it. I see why Chris brought it. I see why you made so many of these and got sick. That book it tasted like if you ever get a matcha matcha smoothie, it tastes like the powder they put in that. This one next, it's brown. On these Kit Kat wrappers, they have these little things on them. I watched a video about these, and that's for like writing it as a gift. Kit Kats are used for good luck in Japan because I think Kitokato almost sounds like good luck or something. That's dark chocolate. That's really dark chocolate. Oh my god. That's a fucking 0. That is a 0. No way. Where's my drink? We got apple cinnamon. It smells like apple cinnamon. It smells like one of those Bath and Body Works candles. It does. It smells like they dipped it in candle wax. It tastes like someone just got a new air freshener in the bathroom and it's been going for 20 hours straight. I don't even have the slightest idea of what this might be. It's a black package. It doesn't smell as bad as the other one. It is nothing compared to that brown one. Not even close. I don't know what it is. It's more edible. I'm just gonna rate it like a 6 because I could eat it. That was pretty good. Yeah. I don't know. It's got like wheat on the corner. What barley? Maybe it's buckwheat. It's like a creamy. It tastes grainy. It has a very grainy. It's a grainy texture. Kind of like a vanilla wafer. That's kind of what I'm coming to here. But it's like more. It's like whole wheat toast compared to white toast. Yeah. You just know there's more wheat in the wheat toast. Salmon looking one. I'm going peach. Anthony's gonna go peach. No, in Japan it could be salmon. By the sheer amount of sushi, that is peach 100%. It doesn't exactly smell like peach. Strawberry. Maybe like vanilla or something. I feel like it's got like it has actual strawberry in it. You can see it. And you can taste it like when it hits your tongue. Oh yeah, like you get this like a tartness right away. I don't know how well you can see that. No idea. This smells like a dark chocolate one again. But it doesn't look like it. I feel like it's just gonna be regular. It's definitely not as sweet as a regular Kit Kat over here. No. If that is regular, like the general flavor. Not as sweet. Not nearly as sweet. No idea. It's green. I'm gonna assume it's some sort of matcha green tea. It looks like matcha powder is just condensed into how green that is. That is matcha. Another matcha. That is 100%. That is matcha. Looks like they didn't mix the powder all the way. Yeah, it looks like it's just, you can see like little granulations in it. Last but not least for this type, I'm gonna guess this is white chocolate. It kind of tastes like cookies and cream. So last but not least, it came with this little single one. It's got ruby on it, special edition. Idol, looks like an idol. It says Skide Kanji Kerune. Purple looking Play-Doh thing. Going in. I didn't mind it. I thought it was alright. I don't really like it. I think a single stick like that is more than enough. Oh yeah, that suffices. If I had to choose favorite, I really like that coffee one, the matcha one, or that cheesecake one was certainly pretty bussin'. I'm gonna go with melon. I liked the melon a lot. Like it that much? Yeah, that was really good. I don't think I could eat more than like 2 or 3. I like the small amount of it. That was good. So those were the Japanese Kit Kat flavors. Like I said, I got them on Amazon. You can get some for your own. I'll leave a link in the description so you can find the exact one I got. And it is a variety pack, so you never really know what you're gonna get. If you do, and you get some flavors that we had and you find out what they are, please let us know. We'd love to know that. And thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share the video if you found anything interesting, and we'll see you next time on Skeesh.